and welcome back to the vlog. If this is your first time here, I'm just simply T. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Alright, I have another Amazon unboxing. Ooh, let's see what we got. Let's see. Alrighty. All right, again, y'all, this is another short unboxing. Nothing major. All right. So my first item in the box I got a new tote bag. Yeah. Got a new tote bag, y'all. Let me open it up a little so y'all can see. Yeah. All right. So I got a tote bag. I need another tote bag. I don't know. Sorry, I'm not like the other YouTube moms out there with the Louis Vuitton bag. I just wanted something that's functional, that can hold all my crap in there. So I brought this bag. It was $22 and then it was $2 off. So I got this for 20 bucks. And it comes with the wallet. And let's open that up. Because I did need another wallet. Okay, I don't like the wallet too much, but I feel a little too much care for the wallet. Yeah, I don't like the wallet. I will admit that it's very flimsy. Yeah, that's not gonna last long at all. This is cute. The little ruffle. That's cute. And then it also comes, where is that? The little ball. Oops. And then it also comes with this little ball here, and you put it up front. There you go, voila. And there goes the bag. So it comes with that. And again, it comes with the wallet. And I paid like I said, I paid $20 for it. So it's pretty much $20 worth of material. So I don't know. I might keep it. I might return it. I'll see. But anyway, that's the first item. And this is my second item. And this is the one I've been waiting on. And it is my... Y'all, I really needed this here. My home does not pick up the best natural lighting, so I purchased the GASLIKE 10-inch LED Beauty Live ring light. And I don't know how to open it. Hold on, y'all. There we go. Alright. Let's open it up. And this is a 10-inch. So that this is the holder. And this is the remote camera. And again, this is how it looks here. And this is the tripod. I don't know. It's supposed to be a 10-inch selfie ring light. But I might take this back too. I don't know. I just wanted something a little bit bigger. But we'll see. And this is the tripod. So this is the bag it came out of, and this is the tripod. Oh, this light. And this is actually like the tripod I got right here that's on my camera now. Yeah. Alright, so I just got a delivery from Macy's. I ordered some athletic shoes for Morgan and I from their website. I had received a Macy's gift card back in Christmas in December, and I finally used it. So I wanted to show you the shoes that I got for us, okay? So first up is I brought some K-Swiss for Morgan. Look here, y'all. I'm basic. I'm basic. I like white, I like black, and I like gray when it comes to athletic shoes, tennis shoes, okay? That's what I like. I don't like all those colorful stuff and all this other crap. No, basics. Because it goes with anything that you put on, okay? So I got these for her. K-Swiss, and they're white, and then inside you see they're got hearts inside. Really cute. So I actually went to the store at the Macy's store in the mall, and I seen these here, but they did not have Morgan's size. So it dawned on me later on, well, hey, go to their website. And sure enough, they had her size in this particular shoe. So guess what? It was in that cart, and I got it. So I got those for her. And then for myself, I got these Dr. Scholl's. I got these Dr. Scholl's athletic shoes. Yep. So I got these, and they're gray, and they're really comfortable, y'all. They're really, really comfortable. So I already tried them on. And they're comfortable. So that's the win-win, because I'm going to be starting a 30-day challenge soon, and I needed some sneakers like really bad to go walking. So I went ahead and brought these, and these actually was on clearance, so not bad at all. These was on clearance, and then these, my Morgan's K-Swiss was I believe $18 for those. It was $18 for those, and do not ask me the price for these, but I know they was on clearance. I do apologize, but if I found them on the website, I'll link the description down below. Okay. All right, y'all. Alright, y'all, so I hope you like those. And again, so I wanted to show you the 2 pairs of shoes that I got from Macy's. And I hope that you enjoy this Amazon unboxing and this Macy's haul. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. And I'll see you the next time. Bye.